everyone. I'm going to show you really quickly how to build your Works Cited page in MLA format using Microsoft Word. So what I've opened here is the MLA format document that we used earlier in the term from week 1 that just shows you a document properly formatted in MLA. For a quick refresher, you want to make sure you have your name and page number in the header. You can add the page number with this little button here, and then you just add your name, your last name. The heading should have your name, my name, course name, and the date. Then you, on the very next line, have the title of the essay, and then you start the body of the essay. No additional spaces skipped anywhere. You want to highlight the entire document either by using Control-A or just manually highlighting, and check paragraph settings to make sure before and after both say 0, and the entire document is double-spaced. And this is going to be consistent throughout the entire document. Everything should also be in Times New Roman 12-point font. So when you're ready to add your Works Cited page, you're just going to jump to the next line and say Insert up here, Page Break, and that'll automatically add a new page to your document. You're going to want to center the line and write Works Cited at the top of the page. No italics, no quotations, just Works Cited. And then skip to the next line and jump back to left alignment. And that's where you'll put your citation. So I have one copied. I'm just going to paste it here. Because I copied this from our Blackboard page, I want to make sure I change the font so it matches Times New Roman 12. And I also want to make sure that it is double spaced with those 0 quotes. Now, because this is a citation in MLA, you want to indent every line after the first line. So it's called a hanging indent. There are 2 ways you can do that. So you can either go up to, I think, paragraph settings and click indentation hanging, and that'll do it automatically. Or if you have a roller visible on your screen, and if you don't, you can go up to view and add the roller. You can just click right at the start of the second line and drag the second triangle, the bottom triangle, and pull it in 1/2 inch. And that'll set it up as well. You just want to make sure that any line after the first line is indented. So that's basically it for what the Works Cited page looks like. For guidelines on how to actually cite an article from a web page, which is what we're all using for this assignment, you can find that on our coursework folder. There's an example here, but you just have the author's last name and then the first name, the title of the article, the title of the magazine or newspaper that it's from, the date that it was published, and you do include the date as well as the month and year for magazines and newspapers. And then you put the URL followed by your access date, and that just looks like accessed and then a date. That's basically it. If you have any questions about your Works Cited page or writing the citation for your article, please let me know.